Hello, welcome back to my channel. Happy to have you here. I'm sorry I missed last week. I had a death in the family, unfortunately, so I had to take some time off, but I'm back. I know my grandma would have wanted me to keep going and doing what I loved, and so I'm gonna keep doing just that. Today I have another come get dressed with me for my 9 to 5 in NYC. That is my life currently as this is filmed, so I'm happy to share all of my great Amazon affordable finds for fashion that you can wear to work, that look super elevated but are a great price tag, and all of the items seen today will be linked in the description if you're interested. So let's get into it. Starting off with these cute Amazon undies. These come in a big set with neutral colors and fun colors. I love these. These are 100% cotton, so that's a great natural fiber instead of synthetic, which is amazing. These are also Addias socks I got on Amazon that come in a set. I really like these for work, and they're tall and they, prevent from blisters. Also, this bra I got on Amazon, this beautiful lace bra. It's a great push-up bra, so pretty on, as you can see. I love it. 10 out of 10. Another great find is this cute button-up I got on Amazon. It's super lightweight and breathable, and it comes in such cute colors. I got this in pink and also blue, maybe green, but I showed you guys last video the blue and how I styled that. So if you're interested, check out my channel. But yeah, this is a cute color and it's perfect for spring and summer, and I love it for work. Next, we have my favorite trousers from Amazon. They're the perfect wide leg trousers with like a nice seam down the middle, and they're super stretchy and comfortable, and I can't recommend them enough. So for my hair, normally I'll have it in a braid the night before, or twist it around and put it in a bun. I'd never slip with it down, and usually that's what I go with the next day, and I'll add either like a hair clip or a headband. I'll link some of my faves that I would wear, and also the headband I'm wearing. It also comes in a set, this headband, with like 2 other headbands, so it's a really good deal. So I will link that. It comes with brown and black if you're interested. So I have this more comfortable option, which would be this white Nike sneaker. I normally would wear this, but actually today I was feeling a little more adventurous and decided to go with this comfier heel. I believe this is Steve Madden. I will link. It's very stretchy, and it's honestly one of those heels that I can wear all day and be comfortable in, which is super surprising. It has a lot of support and it doesn't rub against your foot. So any girls who have problems with heels like I do, these are a lifesaver and a game changer. So I will link these in the description as well. So here's a little overview of the fit. And I really want to show you this cute Swarovski jewelry set my boyfriend got me. Then it's like this beautiful pink, and it kind of dangles in the middle of the piece, the pink piece, and it's surrounded by like, I don't know, it's just like regular crystals. So cute, and it goes really well with this, so I will link it if you're interested. So these beautiful natural pearl earrings are from Amazon. I love them. They come with an authentication card. They're really affordable and they're super cute. So I highly recommend those pearl studs if you're interested in looking for a pair. Next, we have my favorite Apple Watch band. It comes in two-tone, this one, with gold and silver, but it comes in all different types of metallics, any type you'd like. And you just attach it to the normal Apple Watch, and it's a way more elevated version of a band. Kind of dresses it up, and I really like it, so I'll link it in the description if you're interested. Also decided to pair it with one of my Chakra Bracelets. Lord knows we need some grounding energy when you're in the corporate world, so I'll link one of my favorite ones from Amazon. Just a cute way to remind yourself of, your essence and your center. So anyway, this is me walking out the door. This is a very good YSL dupe. If anyone's interested, I will link in the description. Good work bag, and it comes in many colors on their site. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. if you want to support this channel, please subscribe. It's only one click of the button for you, but it means the world to have your support and helps give me motivation to keep going on this journey. So if you want to comment, anything you want to see, or anything you want to say, I'd love to hear it from you. I hope to see you guys in the next video next week, and I'll see you there. Bye!